Come test drive the 2007 Milan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.3-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, front suspension type, strut, fog lights. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering, airbags, passenger occupant sensing deactivation, child seat anchors, one-touch windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.